Today, I am super excited to introduce you to the brand new Blue Fern Studios Seasons collection. It is a lovely collection, which I can't wait to share with you. Hello, everyone. My name is Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and I'm so excited to introduce you to this beautiful collection. So let's take a look at what we've got. In the back or on the back of our front cover, you do have some freebies, so do not forget, do not throw those away. You can see we've got tags, we've got circles, we've got like the longer, skinnier ones, as well as this beautiful envelope cover. And that is printed on really nice thick paper, so beautiful to use as ephemera. We've got Breathe. It's one of our papers, double-sided. The bottom strips, when you cut them off, make sure you save them because they make beautiful borders. Acorn. Breeze. Brisk. Dewdrops. Sprout. Nutmeg. Glow. Winter Haven. And Shiver. So that is the 12 by 12. Now there is also an 8 by 8. The 8 by 8 contains the same freebies, just a little bit smaller in size. And then you're going to get 2 of each of these beautiful papers. I love the scale as well. It's so very pretty. Sometimes you just need a larger one versus a smaller one. I love having both sizes because then depending on how I want to use them, I can still have whatever size I need. And I can even mix them and intermingle them. Okay, so that is the 8 by 8. We also have the Bits and Bobs. The Bits and Bobs contain 24 journaling cards. Their packaging is lovely, so it is not wasted. So make sure you save that in order to reuse it. You could also use the smaller ones to create some really fun dangles and elements or as ephemera. But the journaling cards are going to be double-sided as well. That should have been in the front, but there we go, January, February, March. So you can see it's just that beautiful collection that you can use year-round. May, Verbena, June, July, August. September is lovely. They're all lovely. September, October, November, and December. Okay, so a great pack of beautiful 24 journaling cards there as well. I'm going to kind of pull these because we have ephemera to look through and also some beautiful laces. So let's move these off to the side for just now. And I'm going to show you the sundries. So this is 3 different laces, and as well, you get some metal charms in here. the beautiful laces that you get in there. Now, I did see that the metal pieces, it states on there that they will vary. So you might get something a little bit different in your pack, but they're all going to be absolutely lovely. Look at that. Gorgeous trims. And then you'll get some metal, beautiful pieces as well. And these are nice and heavy, or medium weight, I would say. Yeah, these are a little bit heavier, which is really nice, and that charm is gorgeous. That Tree of Life, and again, they're going to vary per pack. So that is something else that has released with this line. We have tons of Blue Fern Studio products, so do make sure you check out our selection because we have lots of lines, including many that are retired. And then we have 3 different packs of ephemera. So let's start with the montage, because a montage you get 12 pieces, but you get they're layered pieces, which is really nice. That's why they're called a montage. Once again, you have the lovely packaging, so they do not waste paper, which I love. So we could use that beautifully. We can even score this and create a tip-in for a journal. And then let's take a look at these layers, because they all coordinate 1 per month, but you're going to realize that they are already layered for you down to the stitching and postage stamps and all that. It is one flat image, but it gives that great illusion of having done all that collaging yourself. So these are beautiful. I mean, they're just ready to go, just the way they are. Oops. All right. Upside down. And you can see, as I put them in my hand, just how large they are too, which is nice. So they're substantial. They're not too huge that cannot be used on cards or layouts or journals or ephemera clusters. They are just absolutely perfect. I love all the vintage labels, receipts, and stamping. All of it has been done. Look at those ice skates. They're gorgeous. And then a cardinal, as well as some more florals. So absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and look at also the other ephemera packs. We have with the ephemera, which is 43 die cut pieces, and then we'll also have some florals. So again, great for layering. So we can look at the packaging. Gorgeous. And then let's take a look at some, because there are many. So I'll show you here. Of course, you can go to our online store and you can see better pictures than this in the online store, so that you can also enlarge it if you like. But I'll show you some of these just really quickly. Now, in addition to those, there is also, as I mentioned, a floral pack. So this one's called Floristry. And once again, we've got the gorgeous packaging that we can utilize. And then we get a total of 28 beautiful elements. Now, some of them are singles and then some of them are clusters. So you have plenty to choose from. And there we have the gorgeous new Seasons collection from Blue Fern Studios. So I certainly hope that you will go and check it out. And of course, get yours while they're still available in the online store. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Of course, all of the products that you've seen here, plus thousands more, are available in our online stores, spectrumartcreations.com or sacscrafts.com. Is a shorter version of that. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let us know what you think about this. We'd love to hear your feedback. And of course, if you are not subscribed to our channel, we certainly hope that you will subscribe, not only so you can be in the know of the greatest and latest products from around the world, from the best companies at the best prices, but also so that you can be notified anytime that we go live or upload a new video, have classes, or do our live sales, because those are a lot of fun. You don't want to miss those. I'm also going to leave another video link here for you to join us, and we will continue to be inspired and see some additional products and ideas, and I'll see you there. Thanks. Bye.